Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Biscuit Laddu full guide. Combine 2 cups crushed biscuits, 1 can condensed milk, 3 tablespoons ghee, and 1 teaspoon cardamom. Stir over low heat until thick. Let the mixture cool slightly, then shape into 1-inch balls using lightly greased hands. Chill the laddus for 30 minutes to set, then serve warm or store in an airtight container for later. Start by crushing biscuits finely and measuring 2 cups for consistency. Warm 3 tablespoons ghee in a pan, add the biscuit crumbs, and toast gently until aromatic. Mix in 1 can condensed milk and 1 teaspoon cardamom, stirring until the mixture thickens and pulls together. Remove from heat, let cool slightly, then roll into evenly sized laddus and garnish as desired before serving. Store in airtight container for up to 10 days. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. I use them to store laddus and ingredients. They save time and prevent spills. Also check the description for the link and other deals, and leave a comment if you want more variations. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Try adding chopped nuts, raisins, or a teaspoon of cocoa for flavor variations. For a firmer laddu, reduce condensed milk by 1/4 and add 1 tablespoon melted ghee. For softer texture, increase condensed milk slightly. Use chocolate biscuits for a chocolatey version, or a mix of plain and coconut biscuits for a textured bite. Always cool the mixture before rolling to avoid sticky hands and to maintain neat round shapes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.